Hello, hello. I'm Strider, your host here at Author in the Headlights. This is David Beaumier, and we are at the Chanticleer Authors Conference in Bellingham, Washington. Howdy, David.
Hey, Strider. It's so good to have you here.
Yeah, it is so good to have you here. So
Thank you.
Share and share alike.
Yeah. 100%.
Now, you're a bigwig here. I hate to use that term, but I really will. So what do you do here, and what can we say about the conference?
I'm the Marketing and Communications Manager at Chanticleer Book Reviews. What can we say about the conference? The Chanticleer Authors Conference is the perfect conference for authors who have at least finished their first book. I often recommend. They can have one in the works. It's okay. We take everyone. But a lot of our authors have finished their first series. One of the things that I think really makes us stand apart is we are a small conference of extremely dedicated writers. The people who are here are making it their career, it's their focus, and they're ready to be serious about authorship. It really means a lot to see the growth that happens year in and year out with several authors like yourself, getting to see their whole series get written, getting to see them grow and change and develop. And it's, I think, bar none, one of the best professional development conferences for authors.
I have to admit, I've been coming for a long time, since I started writing, and this has become a family. It really is.
Thank you.
The classes are wonderful. The people are wonderful. The ongoing yearly assistance and help, the reviews, the edits available, and it's all here. I love it.
Mm-hmm. One thing that made me think of, we just did the best of Chanticleer services, and one of the things people asked about, they said, what about things that you don't offer services for? And I said, if you're in the room right now, you can email me anytime. And if I don't respond within 3 business days, it's not a problem for me if you email me again. I love to hear from our authors. I love to soundboard with them about their marketing plan. I love to just help them move forward in a way. We worked together on the blurbs for your book, I remembered. Yep. You wanted to update them, and I went through and sent you 3 different versions, and we had so much fun just doing that. That's not something you paid me to do. It's just something I did because you've already come here. And, you know, as Kiffer says, and as you sort of said, you're in the family now.
In the family. That's right. And it's true. I do ask questions. I may be an author and one for quite a few years now, but that doesn't mean I've got all the answers. But you have more answers than I have, or just a different set of eyes to look it over.
Well, and one of the things is that when you are the author, you are the one who is closest to your work already. And I know for my own work, you know, I would want someone else to help me with my blurb. I wouldn't want to be the only voice involved in writing it, because it's hard to know what is most valuable to an outside observer who doesn't know anything about my
Very
work.
true. Because you already know the story, therefore your mind will fill in what it wants to hear. And in reality, somebody that totally doesn't know, it goes, I don't get it.
Very much so.
So that other set of eyes. Anyway, that's just one of the things that Chanticleer does. Very user-friendly in this case. And we really appreciate it, we who are part of your family.
I mean, I really appreciate you. I think you are sort of a gold standard of someone who has come to Chanticleer in many ways, not to just come on your podcast and say nice things about you all the time. But, you know, you didn't have this podcast 4 years ago when I met you.
That's true.
And it's something that you have developed, and I really appreciate deeply how much you have let us and our community be a part of your podcast. The number of people who you have, you know, when I go down the list, I'm like, wow, that person was a grand prize winner. That person was a first place winner. That was just someone who came to the conference. I think you do what we also are trying to do, and set up this welcoming space where people can come in, get some recognition, get some momentum and some movement. And that's critical for authors, especially when we're trying to figure out a way to compete with social media, demanding bits and blurbs for attention, with the state of the world, which we won't talk about here, and also with, you know, big 5 publishers who many of us are not with.
That is true. There's a lot of independent publishers, certainly not all of them here. And just, again, to have that community to work with, which is where I picked it up from. Wow, you should have your book show. Well, I could talk about that.
Yeah.
So why don't I talk about that and share both your book the people, the fun, the enjoyment, and the connection. I love it.
100%. Yeah, me too.
Yeah. And this is a short set today. We'll get back with David again another time. He's been on the show before explaining the business of Chanticleer, International Book Awards, and reviews, and all the things you do at Chanticleer.
I'll be back to talk more about Chanticleer and my book, The Morning Fields.
Oh, and he's an author too. Yeah. So until next time, thanks for being with us.
Bye-bye.